Alright, so gonna do a poem. Just about the nerdiest one I've ever written, so enjoy. It's called I Tried to Code You a Poem. So I tried to code you a poem. Because, for each word I can say in the infinite span of possibilities, if it makes you understand why, print success, pound and break, no more hearts bleeding for another ping. Beep. Syntax error. Fine. GOTO or. Or. For, open paren, word I can say, colon, the infinite span of possibilities, close paren, open brace, if, word I can say, dot, makes you understand, open, close, then begin, print success, pound and break, semicolon, no more hearts bleeding for another ping, end if, close brace, go to, meaning. Meaning. In case you still heard my dial-up tone crackling across phone wires picked up by your mother. When I sent it, it segmented. When I meant it, when others. You were the exception I threw, the least pointless null pointer. But when I try to catch you, the stack traces another. You slip, comparators between misplaced braces, and my heart continues to execute default statements like malformed cases in between notes like lovelaces, pretending to be more number than lover. But finally is as final as drowning, and life is a linked list that stretches around me, left like our memories could only be found by undefined behavior. And if theirs were the keywords of the prophet, I guess I need another savior. My thoughts, Acromanian, they compute but cannot be written iteratively as well, because even I'm defined in terms of myself. And my mind is like trying to unwind in befunge mode. My lines are tangled, I'd eat them if I had a taste for spaghetti code. But I still believe that for each person and persons we all have a purpose. This world's just an old server, it just needs some service, and what surfaced to get my clock working was you. While true, this world is more beautiful than any master programmer could ever have planned, // and sometimes you have to read the comments to truly understand. But just because my love is recursive doesn't mean it's functional. And if you took my list of statements, and reversed it, it's pretty clear that poetry is unstructural. System pause, wait, do we continue or break? Am I a value or a pointer referencing a better state? And if my neural network had settled on some better weights, would I be easy to debug or just harder to translate? If the world equals over, would we return 1 or 0? Else if you could read my source code, would you think I'm a weirdo? All I speak is true, so my false equals null. I don't care what language or IDE or console. I guess we're all just bugs, scurrying to reach runtime. Instead, compiler error. Love is undefined.